I just put my hand on his shoulder and put him back in my car and brought him back home. Graham, please come forward. You know, Heartland has got the most beautiful landscape, right? Heartland 1 has got a very beautiful landscape if you walk through it. Thank you. This is the man who put all those trees and greenscape for us. And he's back with us. He's going to make each and every master plan of ours like a forest. Thank you, Graham. Do we have Pillai here? No, he's not here. Divakar, our procurement, head of procurement, please come forward. He's also a silent performer. He gets a lot of things done, lot of savings for the company without compromising quality. Thank you, Divakar, and your team. You know, there are a lot of other leaders who are sitting in Shobha Construction. I want to take each one of your name, but then the stage would get filled up. Probably next time, I will not be here. Listen, you're here, I can see you. So Mr. Pillai is somebody who is a master of precast in Dubai. 40 years in precast industry. I pulled him out of retirement. He's still so much of energy. He's going to build 3 precast plants for us. 3 precast factories for us. 1 in Dubai, 2 in Dubai, 1 in Quwain, 1 in Abu Dhabi. 4 precast factories we want to build this year. May I request all of you to please stand up once. Give the biggest round of applause for your leaders. You cannot do anything else. This is the minimum you have to do for them. They have done so much for you. We have, I'll take a picture with them.
Come on, guys!
Sorry, I will take some more time. You know, I changed the program. This is my, please come, sir. 10 years back, Mr. Olaf started a digital software called PlantGrid. That software has been acquired by Autodesk. In that software, Shobha Group put 2.5 million photographic inspections, quality inspections in a month. In a month, 2.5 million. The company, audit means operations run away. In our company, audit, we embrace audit. That's our strength. That's the way we are backward integrated. Let me see. Okay, we got our technology man, a silent hero again. Guru, please come forward. Thank you, Guru, for everything what you're doing. You know, the most important thing is putting a security system for our big system. We've got billions worth of operations and we have not had a cyber attack. That's good, we don't have it. You know, but that's the strength. Like safety of people, cyber security is also a very important thing. But leaders, all of us, we say that we are busy, and she has to carve out time from our busy schedule to make sure that we are all upskilling, not just people here, also the people out there, all of you. So thank you, Vidya, thank you, Gayatri. I think I got Ranjit here. Please, Ranjit, if you are also joining. Gautam, please join. Sorry, I want to call all of you. I will do that right after this. So thank you for Adnan. Why are you in the last row? Please come forward. You're my dear, you know, somebody, I don't know how many of you know Adnan. Adnan is another story of Shobha success. So he started 8 years back in my office. I called him after 2 years and told Adnan, you have to make a choice. Whether you want to play cricket or you want to be leading something in this company. Because he was a professional cricketer too. So he thought that he can play cricket in the night and in the morning do work for me. He's such a strong man. He's been a big support to me through